In this video, I'm going to show you how I record and edit my YouTube videos using a tool called Descript. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator, and a few of you have written in to ask how I create and edit these videos. Yeah, they're not super sleek. I'm not paying someone to edit my videos. I'm doing it myself in this tool that makes it really easy. So let me show you how it works. All right, here we are inside of Descript. If you want to try it out, you can go to christyprice.link/Descript, or I'll drop a link below for you. But we are here in the tool itself, and I'm going to go up and name my creation. So this is the name of the video, and you can call this whatever you want. But if you're putting it on YouTube, you should probably include some keywords on it. So how to use Descript to record YouTube videos. And let's say and edit in here. So you'll see that I already did some recording here. That was the part that you just saw earlier of me talking, and I used camera mode for that. So I came over here and you can choose add file or record and or add speech. Right now I am recording my screen, but for this section up here, I was recording my camera. So let me go ahead and push done here, and then I'll show you some other things you can do. Okay, so you notice that I added a new section here between these two recordings. And to do that, you just hit the forward slash key on your keyboard, and you can segment different parts of your video. So it does this automatically for you if you're doing different things using different recording types, but you can also do it yourself. So I can add an extra one here and then add a file, and I can use my YouTube intro here. Go ahead and click done. So it's adding that in the background. It's recording what we're talking about right now, and it's going to drop that into the transcript here. Now, I'm going to get all of these pieces put together for you and then show you how I edit using Descript. Okay, so you can see I filled out most of the video here. I'm actually recording this part right now, which is why we're here. You can see I have screen recording turned on. And I can also go ahead and edit some of the video. So what I typically do is just listen back, and then I can make any edits I need to. So one of the first things that I do is I add myself as a speaker to the project. And that is really cool because what happens is if I misspoke somewhere along the way, so if I said YouTube here and I meant to say Instagram, let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to actually copy this over here, and let's say I misspoke. I can hit regenerate here and have it say Instagram. And because it knows my voice, because I've told it that I'm the speaker, it's going to make this say Instagram and sound just like me. Now, does it look perfect as I'm moving my mouth? No. But most of the time when I make a mistake, it's when I'm screen sharing and I'm not showing my face anyway. So this is really handy. In fact, I was recording a sponsored video for a company and mispronounced the name of their tool, and I was able to go back and fix it really easily. So let's listen to this. My Instagram videos using it. So not bad, right? So anytime you want to edit something that you said that you misspoke, you can absolutely do that. And then most of these editors use a timeline. So most video editors, I am not a pro video editor by any stretch of the imagination. So I actually just use the transcript to edit. So what I can do is just delete this, and anything that I did where I made a mistake, I can go back and just delete it from here. That's all I have to do. For this view where I was showing my screen, I don't want to show my face. I can just delete that, or I can put it back by hitting undo. And then you can actually position this in a different place, put your face in a circle. There are so many options here. Another option is to use Underlord, which is the AI tool that's part of Descript. And you can do things like add a green screen. You can make eye contact happen. So if I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my notes or maybe at my video instead of looking at the camera. Well, Descript can make it look like you're looking at the camera all the time. You can also remove filler words. I say a lot. I leave it in because I think those disfluencies make it sound real, but you could take them out if you wanted. You can also automatically remove retakes. So if you say something and you realize you got it wrong and then you say it again, Descript is smart enough to know to take that out for you. You can shorten word gaps. So if I have a huge pause somewhere where I'm thinking, gathering my thoughts, it can take that out for you as well. Lots and lots of things that you can do here. But really, editing is very, very simple. One of the other things that I do, so here at the end, if you found this video helpful, maybe I had a break here because I had to edit out part. And there's not a smooth transition between these two sections because I edited some things out. What you can do on the second section is go in and just have it zoom in a little bit, and it makes it feel fluid because it's moving from
Thanks for watching.
one thing to another really smoothly, and it looks purposeful that way. So this is really how I'm using Descript. It's simple, it's really easy to use, and I'm finding it very much speeds up my workflow for recording for YouTube, and I hope you find it helpful as well. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below as that helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your video recording and editing.